great being here today.
Rocking show.
Absolutely fabulous. Honoured to be here.
Actually, it's like an Oscar of the restaurant awards.
Chicken tikka.
I cook from my heart.
Benchmark Award.
Asian Restaurant and Takeaway Awards.
Tonight's gonna be
It's going to be a great night. A very warm welcome to the Asian Restaurant and Takeaway Awards 2019.
It's a great privilege to announce the National Champion of the Champions Award for the ARTA 2019. Hot chili.
Hard work by our team at the Hot Chili restaurant and the customers. Also our team to recognise our hard work.
Just like to say how delighted we are to have such a wonderful talent in Bolton.
We've reported on the country's best pub grub, a clutch of Michelin stars, and now we have the nation's best Asian restaurant.
It's called the Hot Chili in Bolton, and it beat all the curry houses, Thai and Chinese restaurants to get the top prize in the industry's equivalent of the Oscars.
Hot chili, so hot, it's on fire. Hot chili by name, is it hot chili by nature? The restaurant in Edgerton is run by the Shah brothers, Jalal, Abul, Farid and Nizam. So strong, they've beaten nearly 2,500 restaurants to be named Champion of Champions at the ARTAs, the Asian Restaurant and Takeaway Awards. The awards were judged on customer reviews, a vote on social media, and finally a dramatic cook-off, where head chef Abul took on competitors from around the country.
It gave me great pleasure to welcome you all to the second Asian Restaurant and Takeaway Awards. We want to show the impact ARTA is having.
Indian restaurateurs across London are hoping new immigration rules after Brexit will help save their industry. Problems recruiting expert chefs from India has led to a slump in business, with around 2 restaurants now closing every week.
Lunch service at Shad Restaurant by London Bridge. The chefs here among thousands who keep this £10 billion industry cooking on gas.
In certain cases, there are like 8, 9, 10, 15, 16 spices are blended together. And getting that balance right is the skill of cooking.
That takes time and experience.
Absolutely, and you can't just simply put someone to get it right.
On Sunday, it's the Asian Restaurant and Takeaway Awards, celebrating the best of the best. With on average 2 restaurants a week closing their doors, it's hoped the new system might revive fortunes.
It's a pleasure to be with you. It really is a special evening tonight in this second ARTA Awards.
Nomination process and judging criteria.
2 years that ARTA has been going. It has grown organically.
It's been a very similar process like last year, so we've got approximately 30% from social media reviews and we've got 40% from the cook-ups.
That is how the winners are chosen.
I feel top of the world because on my food I never cut a corner. Always try to serve people what I eat. There is no double standard.
The Lifetime Achievement Award goes to...
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. What a wonderful crowd. 15,000 people. But the fake news brigade at the back, they will say there was only 750.
National Chef of the Year. Spice Tandoori.
Bangla.
Shesh Mahal.
Baijan's.
East Anglia.
Essex.
From Kent.
Southeast.
Replicari Garden.
The Red Stews.
जान से बारिश जो करता हमारी देता वो तुमको बता.
National Newcomer of the Year.
The National Takeaway.
Chinese Restaurant of the Year.
The winner of the Thai Chef. Time In.